Ah, there's Andre. It's a pretty windy day out here today. Yeah, he's doing a good job, getting a pretty good speed out there. He's having to use his smaller sail today because the wind is so gusty. We've had a couple of mild days, so therefore there was a lot of melting on the lake, therefore exposing a lot of ice. We've had a bit of a skiff of snow, and has made the conditions quite ideal for ski sailing. Well, there we are. Get him back in the picture here. And just to give you an idea of the distance away that we are, you can just see that how far away we really are from where he is skiing or boating. Okay. I'll try to get him back into focus here. Let's find him out on the horizon. There we go. Let's catch up to him. There we are. I'm filming from the opposite side of the lake. As you can tell, I actually had zoomed out. Whoop. As I said, very windy, a lot of snow blowing up off the lake. Sometimes it's hard to lose. It's hard to there he is. And he's coming back up this way. There he is. Just coming up, drift in the snow. There he goes. It's kind of good sailing today. I'm sure he